Good morning, students.
Good morning, parents and guardians.
All right, thank you for joining us for the next maths session. We started to look, we looked at time yesterday and we're going to play a game, but we ran out of time. Sorry, you can probably hear Eddie, he's just in the other room playing. So we're going to have a look at time again. Yesterday we discussed the 24-hour clock and how to convert between 12 and 24-hour times. Miss Zee has set up the visual clock again, like we did last week. So we've got the 12, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We've done the 12, the 3, the 6 and the 9 in a different colour. Why have we done that, Miss Zee?
Because...
What does it show? Remember when we talked about breaking up into... What does it? Fractions. Good. So, what does the 12 represent? The hour. What does the 3 represent?
Quarter past.
Good. 6.
Half past.
Well done. And 9.
Quarter to.
Well done. Quarter to the hour. So, wouldn't hurt to do these in different colours as a visual for the students to help them clearly identify those. Now, Miss Zee wanted to recap and show you something.
So,
I don't know what she's going to show you, so I'm very excited. And your brother is too.
So last time yesterday we were focusing on 24 hours and single hours. So
12 hour, yeah.
Yep, and so I just want to revise how you do it. So
Good.
For the 3 o'clock.
If you had 3 o'clock, yeah, good.
You would add 2 to it. So you would say 3 plus 2 is 5.
Excellent.
Just put the 1
in front of
it'll
it.
Be 1,500 hours.
Well done.
So 17 to 5, you would get 17 minus 2
Good.
is 5, and you'll just ignore the 1.
And then you'd get rid of the 1 as well. Excellent. Well done, Miss Zee. Very good. Excellent. You've remembered. That's brilliant. Okay, so for this activity, ideally, oh, he's very happy in the other room.
Yeah.
Ideally, you want, oh, he's playing.
Yeah.
Ideally, you want a partner to play with, but if you don't have a partner, then the student can use a teddy or a toy as an opponent. You need some dice, okay, 3 dice. So what you're going to do for this game is Miss Zee, or the opponent, will start on the 12 and the other one will start on the 6. Now what you have to do, the aim of the game is you're going to go clockwise. So you point clockwise, Miss Zee. Which way does the clock go?
Clockwise.
Excellent. So you're going around this way. Well done. So your opponent will start on the 6, you start on the 12. I will ask you a question and I'll take it in turns to go first. So maybe Miss Zee goes first. So Miss Zee, I'll ask you a question, you'll move on to the 1, then the 2, then the 3, and then that way around. Your opponent will start on the 6 and go this way around. And the idea is to catch your opponent.
Okay.
So if you're starting on 12, I'll ask you a question, you get it right, you go to the 1. You get it wrong, you stay on the 12.
Okay.
If your opponent gets it wrong, they stay on the 6. If they get it right, they go on the 7. And basically you've got to catch your opponent up and your hand has to meet up with them.
Okay.
So when I ask you the question, okay, I'm going to ask you a time, or I'll give you a scenario and you've got to answer with a time. You then have to tell me what time it is on the clock. So wherever you're sitting, you don't need to do this, guys, but I'm doing this to help. So you're the minute hand, leave it pointing to the 12. Your opponent's the hour hand. So this is just a visual to help you. I'm going to roll a dice. So roll 1 dice, read the time. What does it say?
5.
5. Roll another. 52 it was. So 5:52. I want you to place your minute hand where the 52 would be on the clock.
Okay.
So 5:52. And then I want you to place the hour hand afterwards. So think about it. 52. Have a look. Check carefully. Check carefully. 52, Miss Zee. 52. Where have you got it? Good. Excellent. So point it like it was a clock. Good. And it was 5:52. So where would the hour hand be?
Here. Here on 5.
5. Now it's nearer 6, so it'll be further nearer to the 6. 5:52. So it's nearer 6 o'clock. So ask some questions, double check everything. Good. All right, so we'll give you that one, Miss Zee. So you get to move and sit now or stand at the 1.
Now it's mine.
Okay, now it's your opponent's turn. Bring the clock faces back into the middle. Roll again. Now you don't have to roll the dice each time. You can ask the student a scenario. For example, I got the bus at 12 midday. My bus ride was 45 minutes. What time did I get off the bus? Things like that. If they get it right, they get to move. Get them to convert some 24-hour times as they go. We'll do a couple just to show people. So this is your opponent's turn. If you're playing, you don't have an opponent to play with, you can get your parents or guardians to play with you, or you can just get the teddy to play. So I might get you to do this one as well. So 3:22, Miss Zee. 3:22. Oh, we forgot to read your new time. If you're there, and you're on the 1, what would your time be? You're sitting at the 1, and your opponent's here. So your hour hand is here, and your minute hand is now at the 1. So what would the time be? Forgot to read that.
6:05.
Well done, excellent. So 3:22, your opponent's going to move now. So where's the 3:22? Excellent. 3. Now think about it, because it's 3:22, so it's nearer to what? Nearer to the middle. Brilliant. Excellent. Excellent. So that's your new time, 3:22. So now your opponent would move across, and you've both moved. You've both got them right. You're back over there, Miss Zee, on number 1. Thank you for moving those for me. What is the new time now with you at the 1?
It would be
And your partner at
7:05.
7:05. Excellent. All right, now we're going to have to leave it there because Addie's getting a bit restless. So hope you enjoyed the game. Keep playing it, ask some different scenarios, get them to convert to 24-hour time and race around the clock.
Bye, guys.
Okay, thanks guys. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.